AI generated tip 80. Surprise her with dinner in bed on Saturday night. I think I've seen that one before. 81. Spend the day home together, just enjoying each other's company without anything else to do. 82. Have breakfast together every day. 83. Surprise her with a weekend trip away from home. See, AI getting a little repetitious here. 84. Do something you've always wanted to do together. Go skydiving, bungee jumping, etc. Sounds like something I've heard before. 85. Spend the day at the library. 86. Surprise her with dinner in bed on Saturday night. Yes, this is the AI. AI never repeats itself. Yes, it does. All right, that's 86. We're on to the next page. And I'm just reading right off of this thing right now.